Hello user, today I will demonstrate you the inventory management system. Let's have a look at inventory module in ERP system. In inventory module we have item setups, inventory, transaction and item reports. First we go to the item setups. Here we have items defined, item category, bins, unit types, item barcode generator and price types. First I will show you how to set up units. Go to the unit type. Already some of the units have been created. If you want to add a new unit, go to create button, then type the unit name. Let's say you want to open a unit type name with box. Type with box, also type here with box, and select the conversion rate 1 and select the base unit. If you want to create the multiple units within box, you can select you can add multiple units with box with the time frame with the box unit. Let's say you have a cartoon in box with 10 pieces of box in it. So 10 pieces of box will create a cartoon. When you select a cartoon, it will automatically add or less the 10 boxes of item, specific item. Okay, so I have created the unit. Let's go to another next setup. We have bins called the location and cards of the specific location. If you want to place inventory at some specific level, you can create bin number just like rack numbers, and you can pass the location ID there, just like rack 1 2 3, and you can create so on with the rack numbers. So this is for the creation of bins. Now we have another setup that is called item category. We'll go to the item category and can create item category here. There are different categories already created. We have just like 3 or 4 basic categories like inventory, finished material, raw material, services and inventory item. Let me show you how to create an item category. Create here the item, let's say raw material, enter the full name as a raw material, select the parent category inventory. So it will create it as a raw material category in the inventory module. Now if you want to create the item, go to the items section, go to create button. Here you can add the item code and full description. Just say let's say we have item code of this and name of water glass, and select the item category as finished items. There are item types just like assembly item. If you want to create a finish item, then you will create assembly item. If you want to add a trading item, then you will select the item type as inventory item. If you want to create a service item, then you will select here the service item. So this is a finish item, so we will select the finished. Or if you want to add a manufacturing item, then you can select the assembly item. Or if you want to add the lot number of the specific item, you can select here the lot number item. So here you will select the number, item, unit name, unit type in pieces, and this is also in let's say we have in numbers. this unit is numbers, and we can also select here brand, size, color of the design of the specific item, and here we also can select the sale unit, sale price, and can attach the picture of the item with maximum 50 kb. Yes, and here we can select the purchase unit and purchase description, purchase price, and also we can add here the asset account, income account, expense account, and work in process account of specific item. If you want to add this item on specific accounts, then you will select the accounts from here. So here we create the item. We also have barcode system in the inventory management module. Let me show you the barcodes, how it will generate the barcode of a specific item. Let's say we want to create the barcode of this specific item, and it will generate the barcodes here just like that. So you can print from here and print and download this file as well. So now we will go to the item transaction section. In item transaction we have inventory adjustment, inventory transfer, and transfer order. Inventory adjustment is basically for the opening stock, to add the opening stock in the system. Let me show you how it works. Here we select the transaction date, adjustment account. Let's say we have opening, so we will add the opening stock account. Here we select the department and class of the particular item. Here we select the items and their opening stock with the average rates. So if we have water, I have added the item water glass, so I will enter the quantity 200, and the average rate of that item also will select. Here we will select the inventory detail. Inventory detail means as we have selected this item, this is a lot number item, so we will select here the lot. Lot number will automatically selected. We will select here expiry date of the item and enter the quantity 100, as 200 is total quantity, so we will have to equal that quantity. I have also already added in the system, so two lot numbers have been created for this quantity. First we select the expiry date and then enter the quantity, and then we select the next expiry date and the quantity of that specific. So we have 200, so this is generated. Now we will save this entry, and we can print the report. This is the inventory adjustment document report. We have entered 200 items with 400 price. So now I will show you to the next item transaction on inventory module, that is inventory transfer. This is used for the transfer from one location to another location, that is used to transfer the inventory from one location to another location. So here we select the from location and to location. We will show here we can add multiple locations here. So we will select the item here as water glass. We will enter the quantity we want to transfer. In item inventory transfer modules. So let me show you the transfer order. It is generated for to transfer the inventory from one warehouse to another warehouse with proper documentation, just like First we create here transfer order, then we create the delivery challan for the transfer order, and then the receiver end, at the receiver end the other warehouse keeper will generate the item receipt there. So then this transaction will be completed. You can also create item receipt from here. You can also create delivery challan. These two transactions are also related to the inventory management system. Here we can also select the customer, or we can, if we are simply sending or receiving item, we can also do that without customer. This is the delivery challan report. Now I will show you the reports of the inventory transaction module. First we have the inventory profit margin, item closing report, and item ledger. Now I will show you the item closing report. It will show you all the report, all the stocks in the system or on a specific location. So you can also print or download this report. We have both the options. We can also download this report in Excel or can print in PDF, just like that. It will show you the complete stock of the system. Now we back forward and also can show you the different pie charts of the transactions. Let me show you another report of inventory module, inventory profit margin. This is basically for the profit margin. It will show you the item transaction, date, customer location, item name, description, unit of measure, order quantity, cost rate, cost amount, sale, order sale quantity, order amount, profit margin, and percentage. So you can see this report if you want to see the profit percentage on a specific items. You can also check this customer wise transactions. In third report we have that is called item ledger. If we go to item closing report, then we can see that if you want to see the item ledger, we can click here and it will show you the item ledger of a particular item. So this is all from the inventory module. See you next time in another ERP module.